Unlocking the meaning of long run, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we've got a special topic that often confuses English learners. The phrase, long run. Stay with us, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations and writing. So, let's dive in and unlock the meaning together. Long run is a phrase that English speakers use quite often, and it can be a bit tricky to understand at first. Essentially, when we talk about the long run, we are referring to an extended period of time in the future. It's used when considering the eventual outcome or consequences of something over a long duration, rather than just focusing on the immediate or short-term effects. Examples: investing in education may seem costly now, but in the long run, it pays off by providing more job opportunities and higher salaries. Skipping exercises might be easy today, but it won't benefit your health in the long run. Now that you have a basic understanding of what long run means, let's look at how you can use it in sentences. Positive context. In the long run, learning English will open up many opportunities for you in international business and travel. Negative context. If we ignore environmental issues, it will have severe consequences in the long run. When learning a new phrase, it's just as important to know what not to do. Here are some common mistakes to avoid with long run. Don't use long run for short-term situations. The phrase is strictly for discussing long-term outcomes. Don't confuse it with long-term. While they are similar, long-term is an adjective, and long run is a noun phrase. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on understanding and using the phrase, long run. We hope this video has clarified things for you and that you feel more confident using this phrase in your English conversations and writings. Don't forget to practice, as that's the key to mastering any new language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.